Rebound number 93, one the open. 2.3, but not good. Back to number 8.
10 seconds to shoot.
Villanueva drives in the middle. And one to a foul. 2 for 2. Villanueva. 18 with the ball possession. Looking for his teammate. Turn around. Stays by number 22. And lays it up. Another 2 points by Villanueva. Another again, number 18 drives. Not good. Pass break to Ola, number 40. And maybe a foul against number 64. 64 foul.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Number 64, that is your first and personal foul on this ball game. Uyag